Welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through how to use the Cutout tool in CapCut. Here are the steps to use the Cutout tool in CapCut. First, launch the CapCut app, then tap New Project. To start a new editing project, select your video or image. Choose the clip or photo you want to edit. Then tap Add. Tap the clip on the timeline. This will bring up editing options at the bottom of the screen. Choose Remove Background. Then tap on Auto Removal. This automatically detects and removes the background from your clip. Wait for the cutout process to finish. The time may vary depending on the length and quality of the video. Use Custom Removal if needed. If automatic removal isn't perfect, tap on Custom Removal. Here, on Customized Cutout, choose the Custom option for manual adjustments like Brush, Quick Erase, Erase, etc. So tap on the brush, and you can also adjust the brush size by sliding the mini circle. Then simply brush through the subject. Then tap the check mark to apply changes. Your cutout effect will now be added to the clip. Preview your cutout. Play the video to ensure the subject is isolated correctly. Export your edited video. Tap Export button at the top right to save or share your work.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.